Hi, this is our automatic smart cat litter box, which is the toilet for cats. Considering that we have no cats here, so we use the water to stimulate the piece of cats. You can pour some water into the box and waiting it to get blocked. And press the clean button to run the device, and it will start to rotate in a very slow speed to ensure the security and to prevent the dirt from falling out. And the low speed will not scare your cats or pets. So it's a very smart design. And you can see there are many meshes, so the small sands can be filtered, and the blocked litter can be collected into this part. So the block can be collected into this part. And you can also control the device by the application on your phone. See, there are many settings